Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing and opening Requestly. Click the extension icon and choose Dashboard. You don't need to sign in to create local rules, but signing in syncs them across devices. Once Dashboard is open, pick the rule type you need, redirect, modify headers, or block, and click Create Rule. Make sure to name the rule clearly so you can find it later. These first steps put you directly into rule creation and prepare the extension to intercept traffic for testing. Once you create a rule, configure match conditions to target the exact requests you want. You can use exact URLs, host names, query strings, or regex for complex patterns. Next, define the action, redirect to a local file, replace response body, change headers, block requests, or add artificial delay, and fill required fields. After configuring, enable the rule and open DevTools network to watch requests. If you need iterative testing, toggle the rule, reload the page, and adjust patterns. To finalize, perform a hard reload and observe network and console for your modified requests. If results match expectations, export your rules as JSON to share or import into another browser profile. Make sure rule ordering is correct because Requestly evaluates rules sequentially. Move higher priority rules to the top. If things go wrong, confirm Chrome extension permissions, ensure patterns aren't overly broad or too specific, and disable conflicting extensions. With these final checks, your Requestly setup will reliably alter traffic for testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.